Alright guys, so right now we're at the park and I'm going to load you guys into the mount. And there we go. And we're off. I bought one of those. Yeah, the exact same model and everything.
Nice. I'm trying to learn how to control it. I'm not that great.
Oh yeah, trust me. Mine, I had it for the first day because it was a birthday present.
Nice.
Something happened to the batteries in the remote, and I couldn't control it anymore.
Oh, that happens. I think
Yeah.
You have to like reset it.
Yeah, every now and then.
Yeah. Nice helmet.
Thanks. I just got this as well. We made kind of a homemade mount. I'm recording right now. Do you guys mind to be on YouTube or anything?
No, I don't care.
All right. Excuse you. Nope. Hey. Yeah? Who knows, I might ask for another one for my next birthday. Wait, is it made by Simon? Yep, that's the exact same model. Yeah, mine you had to turn it off and on pretty frequently. Or the battery's dead. It only has like an 8-minute flight.
How long?
Like an 8 or 10-minute flight.
Okay.
You can get more powerful batteries, but it's not a very powerful battery.
Yeah, I think it is. Because the thing is, we're gonna let it be, and so I can
There it goes.
Okay. See if I can do hold this.
Want me to hold your bike?
Yes, please.
Is it dying?
Yeah, it's dying.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's done. Oh well, next time. See you later.
Bye. Hi, now you're on camera. Woo. Man, they were a nice couple. Whoosh. Oh. There you guys go. Now you guys should be looking a bit more straight. Whoosh. Whoosh. Oh. Okay, here we go. What? Yeah. Oh. Hello. Wait. Excuse me. GoPro still. I built a motorcycle. I built a motorcycle because the leaf was in there and it was rubbing against the tread and the top, so it was like. Rrr. Hello. You don't mind if you're on YouTube, right? Whee! You guys don't mind if you're on YouTube, right? You guys don't mind if you guys are on YouTube, right? Alright. I've been doing circles all around. And my GoPro has been recording. Whew. Oh, that's not mine. Oh God, that was close. Woo!
Ready to get your final whatever it is.
Lap. That scared me, and I was all the way over there. I was like, what?
I think this slide is pretty good.
But I'm serious, it's recording right now, so you might have to be on YouTube.
You might have to learn to edit.
Why are you scared? You've already been on TV before.
I know. I'm not going to say I like it. I don't like it a lot.
There.
I don't like it a lot.
It's okay, I'll blur out your face. And I'll change your voice, so it'll make it a really low voice.
Make sure to airbrush the rest of my body.
Why?
Make it look like a supermodel.
Alright, fine.
Then I'll be fine.
Oh. Is it twilight? I think it's about to be twilight.
Yeah, it's getting close.
Oh.
I was going to put my arms on because then my feet would be warm, but I'm like, oh, he told me not to take too much time. So I left my sleeve on. Cold feet.
Oh, come on. I gotta pop this out. There we go.
I must say that's not bad for
For homemade, that's not that bad.
I did pretty well.
And look, it's easy to slide it too. Just pop.
Even better for kind of black tape. think Rick used it all.
It's okay. Makes me look more unique.
Right. It's clever.
Alright, you ready?
Gives you green racing start.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Alright, let's go then.
Alright.
Alright, did you, like, when you dropped me off, did you park over there or what?
Huh?
Are you still up there or over there? Okay. Alright, I'm gonna start making my hike up.
You can ride up it.
I'm still recording.
Go for stuff.
Still recording right now.
We can go for stuff. Alright, we might have to go out tonight.
You go out where?
We might go to dinner too, I guess.
Alright guys, so right now we're making last funnel wings before we go home. So we're just walking up here, get to the car. I'm gonna have to shift my gears again. But once we get up here, which is it's right here now. Alright, we're gonna come over here. So right about here. De-shift gears. We're gonna be on our way. Go. Or not. Okay. I'm shifting my last 5 gears. There we go. Huh? Alright, still recording. Alright. There you go. It's colder for me because look at what I'm wearing. You're only wearing flip-flops. Come on, you can do it.
No, I don't. I'm trying to
I'll do that.
angle it so.
Yeah, go on. Can you unlock the car real quick? Thank you.
Yes, and your door wasn't closed.
Oh, it wasn't? Sorry. Alright guys, so I hope you guys had a fun time at Blue Bird Park. I hope you enjoyed the video. Alright, Twisms. Wait, no, I can't say that either. Dang, you know what? Guys, post down below what my outro should be, okay? Peace.